If you're preparing for the Microsoft 365 Copilot and Agent Administration Fundamentals AB-900 exam, it's important to understand what this certification is designed to measure. AB-900 is not just about knowing what Copilot does or where it appears inside Microsoft 365 apps. The exam focuses on how organizations adopt, manage, and govern AI-powered productivity tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot and intelligent agents in a secure and compliant environment. In this video, we'll move beyond theory and walk through 5 exam-level scenario questions that test your understanding of Copilot administration, governance decisions, and AI-enabled productivity strategies, the key knowledge required to pass the AB-900 certification. Let's begin with question 1. Question number 1. A company plans to deploy Microsoft 365 Copilot to assist employees with document creation and data analysis. Leadership wants to ensure that Copilot only accesses data that users are already authorized to view. What should be configured? Option A. Disable Microsoft Graph Access. Option B. Implement proper Microsoft 365 permission and data governance controls. Option C. Store all company data in local file systems. Option D. Allow Copilot unrestricted access to all tenant data. Option B is correct because Microsoft 365 Copilot operates based on existing user permissions within Microsoft Graph. Ensuring proper data governance, permissions, and access controls guarantees that Copilot only surfaces data users are authorized to access. Question number 2. An organization wants to ensure that AI-generated responses from Copilot comply with company policies and do not expose sensitive information. Which approach should be implemented? Option A. Disable audit logging to reduce system overhead. Option B. Implement data loss prevention, DLP policies and compliance controls. Option C. Allow unrestricted Copilot usage across all departments. Option D. Remove all access restrictions for faster performance. Option B is correct because data loss prevention, DLP policies help prevent sensitive data from being shared or exposed through AI-generated outputs. Combined with compliance controls, this ensures responsible and secure Copilot usage. Question number 3. A company wants to enable Copilot features in Microsoft Teams while ensuring that only licensed users can access AI capabilities. What should the administrator configure? Option A. Assign appropriate Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses to users. Option B. Enable all features globally without licensing. Option C. Use local user accounts for Teams access. Option D. Disable Microsoft Entra ID authentication. Option A is correct because Microsoft 365 Copilot requires proper licensing. Assigning licenses ensures that only authorized users can access AI-powered features within services like Microsoft Teams. Question number 4. An administrator wants to monitor how employees are using Copilot and identify potential misuse or policy violations. Which feature should be used? Option A. Microsoft Word spell check logs. Option B. Microsoft Purview audit logs and activity monitoring. Option C. Windows Task Manager. Option D. Local event viewer only. Option B is correct because Microsoft Purview provides audit logging and activity monitoring capabilities. It allows administrators to track Copilot usage, detect anomalies, and ensure compliance with organizational policies. Question number 5. A company wants to deploy AI agents that automate repetitive business processes while ensuring governance and lifecycle management. Which approach should be used? Option A. Deploy agents without monitoring to improve speed. Option B. Use Microsoft Power Platform with governance and lifecycle management policies. Option C. Allow users to create agents without administrative oversight. Option D. Store agent logic in unmanaged local scripts. Option B is correct because Microsoft Power Platform enables the creation and management of AI agents with built-in governance, security, and lifecycle management. This ensures controlled deployment and compliance. For complete exam preparation, visit certprep.io, where you'll find high-quality practice questions, exam simulations, and expert-designed study materials to help you pass with confidence.